everyone, we are continuing to solve CBSE 10th grade math board paper. This is for the year 2019. Series is JMS/1 and the code number is 31/2. So this is the set 2 for the paper 30/1, and we have already finished doing section A, section B and section C in our previous videos. Now let's move to section D here. So it has 8 questions of 4 marks each, and 23rd question we have to prove that tan square A divided by tan square A minus 1 plus cosec square A divided by sec square A minus cosec square A is equal to 1 by 1 minus 2 cos square A. This question we have to prove tan square A divided by tan square A minus 1 plus cosec square A divided by sec square A minus cosec square A is equal to 1 by 1 minus 2 cos square A. So we'll solve the left hand side. Now we'll convert everything into sine and cos. So tan square A can be written as sine square A by cos square A divided by sine square A by cos square A minus 1 plus cosec square is 1 by sine square A divided by sec is 1 by cos square A minus cosec is 1 by sine square A. Sine square A by cos square A divided by sine square A minus cos square A. We have taken the LCM cos square A, and then plus 1 by sine square A divided by here LCM, so sine square A minus cos square A, as the LCM is cos square A sine square A. We have sine square A by cos square A multiplied by cos square A and sine square A minus cos square A, plus this side we have 1 by sine square A multiplied by cos square A and sine square A divided by sine square A minus cos square A. Cos square A gets cancelled, sine square A gets cancelled. So we get sine square A divided by sine square A minus cos square A plus cos square A divided by sine square A minus cos square A. Now here the LCM will be sine square A minus cos square A, and in the numerator we have sine square A plus cos square A. Sine square A plus cos square A can be written as 1. On the right hand side we do not have sine square A, so sine square A I'll convert into 1 minus cos square A minus cos square A. This is equal to 1 by 1 minus 2 cos square A. This is equal to right hand side. So hence proved. In 24th question, we are given that the first term of an AP is 3, the last term is 83, and the sum of its all terms is 903. And we have to find the number of terms and the common difference of the AP. We are given the first term, A is 3 and last term is 83, and sum of all its terms is as 903. And we need to find out n and common difference. The last term or an formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. an is 83 and a is 3 plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, n minus 1 into d is equal to 83 minus 3. n minus 1 into d is equal to 80. Now we'll use the other information. We are given Sn as 903. So sum of n terms formula is n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is given as 903 is equal to n by 2 and 2 multiplied by 3 plus n minus 1 into d. 903 is equal to n by 2 and here we have 6 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. We can substitute as 80. So substituting n minus 1 into d is equal to 80. So 80 here. Now we have 903 is equal to n by 2 multiplied by 86. This becomes 43. Therefore, n is equal to 903 by 43. So 2 times and 1 time. So 21 times. So n is equal to 21. Now let's find out d. Therefore, n minus 1 into d is given to us as 80. n is 21 minus 1 multiplied by d is equal to 80. Though d is equal to 80 by 20. So 4. So d is equal to 4. And so the number of terms are 21 and the common difference is 4. In 25th question, we have to construct a triangle ABC with sides BC is equal to 6 cm, angle B is equal to 45 degree, angle A is equal to 105 degree, and we have to construct another triangle whose sides are 3/4 times of the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. In this question, we have to draw a triangle ABC. BC is equal to 6 cm, angle B is equal to 45 degree and angle A is 105 degree. So therefore angle C will be equal to 30 degree. We need to find out angle C. So angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 45 degree plus 105 degree. So we have 180 degree minus 150 degree. So it is equal to 30 degree. Let's start constructing. Let's draw a line BC of 6. Then at B, let's construct a 45 degree angle. Let's construct 30 degree at C. Then from B, let's draw a line BX. From B, we'll make 4 arcs on BX, A1, A2, A3, A4. Let's join A4 to C. Then we'll draw a line parallel to A4C at A3 and which intersects BC at C dash. From C dash, we'll draw a line parallel to AC which intersects AB at A dash. So A dash, B and C dash is the required triangle whose sides are 3/4 of the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. Now let's write down the steps of construction. First, draw BC equal to 6 cm. Then at B, construct an angle of 45 degree. Third, at C, construct an angle of 30 degree. We got the triangle ABC. Now fourth, draw BX outside the triangle. Now next, from B, make equal arcs on bx, a1, a2, a3, a4. Next, join a4 to c. Draw a parallel line to a4c from a3, intersecting BC at C dash. From C dash, draw a parallel line to AC, intersecting AB at A dash, and A dash B C dash is the required triangle. 26th question. We are given the median as 32.5 of a frequency distribution, and we have two missing frequencies f1 and f2, and we have to find that. Here we are given a table in which we have the class intervals and the frequencies. Median is given, so we will need to find out the cumulative frequency. We have class intervals as 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 32, 40, then 42, 50, 52, 60, and 60 to 70. And here the frequencies. First frequency is missing. It is at f1, then 5, 9, 12. This is f2, again a missing frequencies, 3 and 2. And sum of frequencies is given as 40. We are given the median of this distribution as 32.5, and we have to find out the missing frequencies. Here we will find out less than cumulative frequencies. So less than 10 is f1, then less than 20 is 5 plus f1, less than 30 is 14 plus f1, less than 40 is 26 plus f1, less than 50 is 26 plus f1 plus f2, then 29 plus f1 plus f2, less than 70 is 31 plus f1 plus f2. Here median is given as 32.5. See, we know that this will be the median class. Median class is 30 to 40. Here this is equal to 31 plus f1 plus f2. Therefore f1 plus f2 is equal to 40 minus 31. So this is equal to 9. So we got one equation as f1 plus f2 is equal to 9. First equation. Now second, we are given the median. So now let's write down the formula for median is equal to lower limit of the median class plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency of the preceding class and the frequency of the median class multiplied by the height. Now let's substitute here. So this median is given to us as 32.5 is equal to lower limit is 30 and n by 2 40 by 2, total terms are 40. Then cumulative frequency of the preceding class is 14 plus f1 and divided by frequency of the median class is 12 multiplied by the height, so 10. So here we have 20 times, so 30 plus 20 minus 14 minus f1, and this 2 5 times, 2 6 times, multiplied by 5 and divided by 6 is equal to 32.5. Now let's take the LCM on the left hand side. So 180 plus and 20 minus 14 is 6 minus f1 multiplied by 5 is equal to 32.5 multiplied by 6. 180 plus 30 minus 5 f1 is equal to 3 and 15, 195. 210, and I'll bring 195 this side and get 5 f1 that side. So now 5 f1 is equal to 15. f1 is equal to 15 by 5, so we get 3. So f1 is equal to 3. Now we'll substitute the value of f1 in first equation. We had f1 plus f2 is equal to 9. So 3 plus f2 is equal to 9. So f2 is equal to 9 minus 3. f2 is equal to 6. And so the missing frequencies, f1 is equal to 3 and f2 is equal to 6. The choice in this 26th question, we are given marks obtained by 100 students of a class, and we have to draw a less than type cumulative frequency curve, and we have to find the median. In this question, we are given the marks and the number of students, and we will need to find out the cumulative frequency. Here we have marks. The class intervals are 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, then 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45 and 45 to 50. Now, number of students or frequencies we have as 2, 5, 6, 8, 10, 25, 20, 18, 4 and 2. And total number of students are 100. Less than 5 we have 2 students, then less than 10 we have 7 students, less than 15 we have 13 students, less than 20 we have 21 students, less than 25 we have 31 students, less than 30 we have 56 students, less than 35 we have 76 students, less than 40 we have 94 students, less than 45 we have 98 students, and less than 50 we have 100 students. We have to draw the ogive. It's the origin, and we can take the class intervals from 0 to 5, then 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50, 55 marks. Here let's take the scale for 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and this is 100. Here we are representing the number of students. Now less than 5 there are 2 students, so less than 5 would be here. Then 7 students, less than 10, so 7 would be here. Then less than 15 are 13 students, so 13 would be here. Then 20 and 21, 21 would be here. Then 25 and 31, so 31, 30 and 50, 35 and 76. Then 40 and 94. 45 and 90. 8, 50 and 100. We've got all the points. Let's make the jive. Now we have to find the median. We need to find out n by 2, that is equal to 100 by 2, so that is equal to 50. So for median 50 is, so I'll just make this dotted line, and here I'll get from graph we can see that median is equal to approximately around 29. The seventh question. In this we have to prove that in a right angle triangle the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of the other two sides. So basically we have to prove the Pythagoras theorem. To prove hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the other two sides. So perpendicular square plus base square. Now let's take the triangle ABC, and we need to draw a perpendicular on AC, which is BD. So here basically we will need to prove that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is to prove, and we are given a right angled triangle ABC where angle B is equal to 90 degree. Construction: draw a perpendicular from B on AC, that is BD. Now the proof: in triangle ABD and ABC we have angle ADB is equal to angle ABC is equal to 90 degree, and angle A is equal to angle A, that is the common angle in these two triangles. So therefore triangle ABD is similar to triangle ABC by AA, property of similarity. So we can say that AD by AB is equal to AB by AC, and this would be equal to AB square is equal to AD into AC. So this is the first equation. Now second, we'll move to triangles. So in triangle BDC and ABC, here also we have angle CDB is equal to angle ABC, and angle C is equal to angle C. This is equal to 90 degree, and this is the common angle. Therefore, we can say that triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC by AA, property of similarities. So I can say DC by BC is equal to BC into AC. So therefore we can say that BC square is equal to DC into AC. This is the second equation. Now let's add these two, first and second equation. So adding first and second, we get AB square plus BC square is equal to AD into AC plus DC multiplied by AC. Here we have AC common, so we have AD plus DC, and we know AD plus DC is AC, so AC multiplied by AC. So here this is equal to AC square, so we get AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So we have proved 28th question. In this, a bucket open at the top is in the form of a frustum of a cone with a capacity of 12308.8 centimeter cube. The radii of the top and bottom of circular ends of the bucket are 20 centimeter and 12 centimeter respectively. We need to find the height of the bucket and also the area of the metal sheet used in making it. In this question, we are given a bucket which is in the form of frustum of cone. Volume is given as 12308.8 centimeter. The radii of top and bottom are 20 centimeter and this is 12 centimeter. And we have to find the height. And also we have to find the metal sheet used in making it. This is H. This is capital R and this can be written as small r. The volume of a frustum is equal to 1 by 3 pi and we have r square plus small r square plus capital R into small r multiplied by height. 1 by 3 pi and capital R is 20 square plus 12 square plus 20 into 12 and height we have to find out equal to 1 by 3 pi and 400 plus 144 plus 240 into height, and this volume is given to us as 12308.8. This is 1 by 3 pi 4, 8 and 7. 784 into height is equal to 12308.8. Height will be equal to 12308.8 multiplied by 3 and divided by 784 multiplied by pi, so 3.14. 4 one time and 4 9 36 and then 24, so 6, and this would go by 4 3 times 0, 7 times 28 and 7 times 28 and 2. 4 7 28, 6 times 9 times and then 3 times. 4 7 1 time 0, 9 times 63 and again 9 times 63. 7 7 times 1 time and 7 1 time 39, 5 times 7 times. Now let's write down whatever is left. So 15.7 multiplied by 3 and divided by 3.14. Now we can remove the decimal points, so we get 10 here. 1 time and this would be 2 times 2 1 2 5 times. So height is 15 centimeter. Now area of metal sheet used in making it will be equal to curved surface area of the frustum plus area of the base. So curved surface area for frustum is pi r plus r into L and plus area of the base is pi r square. Now let's find out L first. L is equal to square root of h square plus r minus r whole square. Height we got as 15, so 15 square plus 20 minus 12 whole square. This is equal to square root of 225 plus 8 square. This is equal to 225 plus 64. So this is equal to square root of 289. So this is equal to 17 centimeter. So now we are going to substitute this in this formula. Pi we have to take as 3.14 as it is given in the question. R plus R will be 20 plus 12, and L we got as 17, plus again 3.14 multiplied by r square, so 12 square, small r. Now 3.14 I can take common, 32 multiplied by 17 plus 144. 3.14 and 17 2 times 34, 54 plus 144. So we get 3.14 multiplied by 688. Now let's multiply 3.14 and 688, 314. So this is some little bit of rough work. 32, 3 here, then 32, 35, 27. Then we have 6, 8, 8, and here 24, 2, 26, 2, and 20. 2, 3, 20, 16, 1, and 2. And we need 2 decimal points. So this is equal to 2160.32 centimeter square. Answer: the height of the bucket is 15 centimeter and the area of the metal sheet used in making it is 2160.32 centimeter square. 29th question. In this, 2 water taps together can fill a tank in 7 by 8 hours. The tap with longer diameter takes 2 hours less than the tap with a smaller one to fill the tank separately. And we have to find the time in which each tap can fill the water tank separately. In this question, let the tap with the smaller diameter fill the tank in X hours. Therefore, it will fill in 1 hour 1 by xth tank, and therefore the tap with larger diameter will fill the tank 2 hours less, so x minus 2 hours. Therefore it will fill in an hour 1 hour 1 by x minus 2th tank. Now we are given that both taps together will fill in 7 by 8 hours, or this is equal to 15 by 8 hours. So therefore they will fill in 1 hour 8 by 15th tank. Now we can put together, so therefore 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 2 is equal to 8 by 15. Here we have the sum of amount of water filled in 1 hour by the smaller tap and the larger tap, and they are working together then. So now we have got an equation. Let's solve it. So x minus 2 plus x, and this is by x minus 2. We took the LCM, and 8 by 15. We get 2x minus 2 multiplied by 15 is equal to 8x into x minus 2. Now here I have 2 common, so 2x minus 1 multiplied by 15 is equal to 8x x minus 2. I'll take 2 other side and I'll multiply by 15. So 15x minus 15 is equal to 8 by 2x x minus 2. Here we have 15x minus 15 is equal to, this is 4 times, so 4x square minus 8x. Equation becomes 4x square minus 8x minus 15x plus 15 is equal to 0. So 4x square minus 23x plus 15 is equal to 0. So we have got a quadratic equation and we have to find the factors. So here we need to find two numbers whose sum is minus 23 and product is 60. 20 and 3, 4x square will split the middle term as 20x minus 3x plus 15 is equal to 0. 4x is common, so we get x minus 5. Here minus 3 is common, so x minus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 5 and 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 5 or it is equal to 3 by 4. As here 3 by 4 is less than 2. Therefore, it is not considered as the tap with the larger diameter will fill in 2 hours less. Answer: the tap with smaller diameter will fill in 5 hours and the tap with larger diameter will fill in x minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 hours. There is a choice in 29th question and the other question says a boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours, and in 13 hours it can go 40 km upstream and 50 km downstream. We need to determine the speed of the stream and that of the boat in still water. Let the speed of boat in still water be x kilometer per hour and the speed of stream be y kilometer per hour. We are given the comparison with time, so we know that time is equal to distance by speed. So now we can say it goes 30 km upstream. So for upstream, the speeds of boat and stream will be subtracted. So x minus y will be the time taken to go upstream and time taken to go downstream would be 44, that's the distance, and the speed will be x plus y. So this is the time, 10 hours. This is the first equation. Now secondly, it is going 40 km upstream, speed will be x minus y, and it is going 55 km downstream, so speed will be x plus y and the time taken for that is 13 hours. So this is the second equation. Now to solve this, we will assume let 1 by x minus y is equal to t and 1 by x plus y is equal to u. Substituting 1 by x minus y and 1 by x plus y as t and u in first and second we get 30t plus 44u is equal to 10. Third equation, and we'll have 40t plus 55u is equal to 13. Let it be fourth equation. Now multiplying 3 by 5 and 4 by 4 and equating, we get 150t plus 220u is equal to 50, and 4 times, so 160t plus 220u is equal to 52. Now subtracting all the three, this gets cancelled and we get minus 10t is equal to minus 2, t is equal to minus 2 by minus 10, this gets cancelled, so we get 1 by 5. So t is equal to 1 by 5. Now substituting the value of t in third equation, we have 30t plus 44u is equal to 10. So t is 5, so 30 multiplied by 1 by 5 plus 44u is equal to 10. This becomes 6. So 44u is equal to 10 minus 6. U is equal to 4 by 44. This gets cancelled and we get 1 by 11. So u is equal to 1 by 11. Now we have to find x and y, the speed of the stream and the boat. Therefore 1 by x minus y is equal to 1 by 5, and 1 by x plus y is equal to 1 by 11. Therefore x minus y is equal to 5 and x plus y is equal to 11. Equating, we get x minus y is equal to 5 and x plus y is equal to 11. They get cancelled and we get 2x is equal to 16, x is equal to 16 by 2, so we get 8. So x is equal to 8. Now substituting x in x minus y is equal to 5, we get 8 minus y is equal to 5, so minus y is equal to 5 minus 8, y is equal to 3. Answer: the speed of boat in still water is 8 km per hour and the speed of stream is 3 km per hour. 30th question. A man in a boat rowing away from a lighthouse which is 100 meters high takes 2 minutes to change the angle of elevation of the top of the lighthouse from 60 degree to 30 degree. We need to find the speed of the boat in meters per minute. In this question, we are given lighthouse which is 100 meters high. Angle of elevation changes from 60 degree to 30 degree in 2 minutes. This is 60 degree, this is 30 degree. And we have to find the speed of boat in meter per minute. Let's name the vertices as A, B, C and D. Now let's say tan 60 degree is equal to AB by BC. Tan 60 degree is root 3 is equal to AB is 100 BC. So BC is equal to 100 by root 3. Now let's find out tan 30 degree is equal to AB by BD. Now tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 is equal to AB is 100 and BD is BC plus CD. We found out BC here. So now 1 by root 3 is equal to 100 by root 3 plus CD. On cross multiplying, 100 by root 3 plus CD is equal to 100 root 3. Therefore, CD is equal to 100 root 3 minus 100 by root 3. CD is equal to 300 minus 100 by root 3. This is equal to 200 by root 3. So we have the distance as 200 by root 3 meters and time is equal to 2 minutes. Speed is equal to distance by time. So speed is equal to 200 by root 3 and time is 2 and we have to find in meter per minute. So all units are fine. 1 time 200 times. So speed is equal to 100 by root 3. Now we can rationalize the denominator, 3 and 3. So we get 100 root 3 by 3. So this is equal to 100 into 1.732 by 3. This equals 173.2 by 3. Dividing will get 3, 5 and 7, then again 7 and 3 meters per minute. So answer we can write down as the speed of the boat is 57.73 meter per minute. There is a choice in the 30th question. So other question says, two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. We need to find the height of the poles and the distances of the point from the poles. In this question, we have two poles of equal height and the distance between the two poles is 80 meter and there is a point between the poles such that the angles of elevation are 60 degree and 30 degree. And we have to find the height of the poles and the distances of the point from the poles. Let's name these vertices A, B, C, D and E. Let this distance CD be X meter. Let the distance CD be X meter. Therefore, BC will be equal to 80 minus X meter. Now let's find out tan 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is equal to ED by CD and here tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3, ED is a height and CD is X. X is equal to root 3 H. Now let's find out tan 60 degree. So tan 60 degree is equal to AB by BC. Tan 60 degree is root 3 and AB is H and BC is 80 minus X. We have root 3, 80 minus X is equal to H. Here we can substitute X from here. Now substituting X is equal to root 3H. We get root 3 80 minus root 3H is equal to H. Now 80 root 3 minus 3H is equal to H. 80 root 3 is equal to 4H. So H is equal to 80 root 3 by 4 and this is 20. So h is equal to 20 and root 3 I can write down as 1.732. So height is equal to 1 decimal point goes there, and this will be 34.64 meter. So x is equal to root 3h. X is equal to root 3. H is 20 root 3. So this is equal to 20 multiplied by 3. So 60. X is equal to 60. Therefore 80 minus x will be equal to 20. The height of the poles is 34.64 meter, and distances from poles are 60 meter and 20 meter. So we have finished section D of this paper, as well as we have finished set 2. Now we are going to start set 3 from the next video. So stay tuned and see you all.